In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a sync error in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open Origin Financial on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, the first thing you should try is a manual refresh. Look for the net worth graph, which shows all your connected accounts in one place. In the upper right corner of that graph, click the three-dot menu and select Refresh. This will trigger an immediate sync across all your linked bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, helping pull the most updated balances and transactions. If the issue is not fixed after refreshing, the next step is to check for inactive accounts. Go to Settings by clicking the gear icon, then open the Accounts section. Here, look through your list of connected institutions and see if any account is marked as inactive. If you find one, click on it and select Reconnect. You will then need to re-enter your login credentials for that bank or institution. This usually happens because some banks require periodic re-authentication for security reasons, which can interrupt syncing. After reconnecting any inactive accounts, your data should start syncing properly again and your dashboard should update with the latest information. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.